transformation is not done only at the top, it's done by people also, and people everywhere. Now you have a strong communist party in China that has been pioneering and leading the country. Reinterpret those things in a way that people can resonate with and can respond to. So that's important for China to do. This is what I call very effective organizational structure that gets things done. The last COVID-19 story, China took upon itself to do the responsibility of helping the world.
We are very glad to emphasize that under the leadership of the Communist Party, Chinese people fulfilled a great task of modernization of the country. You started from zero and you made everything by your own hands, talent by Chinese people. Now China is the country with great economy, with big successes in all fields of economy, in industry, in agricultural sector as well. And now you have the achievements in space, protecting the health of the people, taking into account especially the last disasters connected with coronavirus. So I can count dozens of such successes, and every success is great. So once more, we are admired about this the success of Chinese people.
Over the past 100 years, the Communist Party of China has led the people of China toward, I think, the great success and remarkable accomplishment in the path for the national liberation and construction and development.
Los éxitos alcanzados en la nación china, los éxitos alcanzados en la revitalización de la nación china, el gran arquitecto ha sido el Partido Comunista Chino. Y no existe la menor duda que la nación china va a alcanzar la nueva meta propuesta de un desarrollo integral moderno de una sociedad socialista. La convocatoria de China de una comunidad de destino común donde todos ganen, donde todos colaboren para la prosperidad colectiva, es una propuesta que es sumamente bienvenida por la comunidad internacional.